Alrighty guys, welcome back to the Combustion Guys YouTube channel and Hunting Cars Online. And today we find out the truth. The Hyundai Motors has a better website than Kia. Let's get started. Alrighty guys, so welcome back, and so we have the new Santa Cruz pickup truck, the 2022, and look at this beautiful website where you actually get to see the different trim options presented to you right before you go to the build screen, and you can select the trim you want to begin with. Plus also you get to sample the different beautiful looking colors before you even get to the build. So let's go build. And look at this absolutely beautiful build page. It is simple. It is non-eye pain creating. You actually get to look at the interior with great ease. Look at this. It's beautiful. You get to look at the exterior. You get to spin it around so many times that your eyes go wacky. And you have simplicity. So much simplicity. And you look at this, you can actually ask Hyundai what in the world these options mean, and they tell you in very short form, but at least they actually tell you. I'm sorry, I had a very bad time with Kia the last time, and I am very unhappy with it. So, anyways guys, we are here looking at the beautiful Santa Cruz with colors. So let's look at the colors, okay? Starting out, we have the Sage Gray, which is a beautiful shade of almost cactus green to some extent. Looks very, very nice. Like it a lot. We have the beautiful Phantom Black. Phantom! We are around Halloween time, so that makes sense. We have a beautiful Ice White. Looks very, very nice. We also have this Blue Stone, which is beautiful. I would love to see this on a Subaru. This is a very nice color. It looks good. We also have the Hampton Gray. Can live with and without it. Looks pretty good, though. And then we have this Mojave Sand. Man, that looks good. Then we go to the interior. And we have black as the current selected interior. We did have an option. There we go. There's the option. So, not available with the Mojave Sand, but it looks pretty good. Switch back to black. Not bad. Not bad at all. I like the Mojave Sand, though. That looks good. But I really do love this color right here. Oh, I know where I've seen this color. This was on a Chevy Cruze before, this particular shade of blue, and it looked really good that way. But now we look at the few and simplified options which are available, and check this out. We have the engines that you can go through, and you can actually ask them what you are getting with the engine. Look at this. It actually has a little tab that you can click on that shows you what's going on, how it's going to affect your price, and tells you in simplified form the exact thing that you're getting. But hey, it's a lot better than Kia, so thank you. All-wheel drive on a pickup truck. I love it. Alrighty guys, so then we have the accessories, which are few and far between, but yet are simplified in a very nice and orderly manner. No pictures, which is rather annoying, but still very orderly and very simple to look at compared to a horrible website at which I was just at, aka Kia. Yeah, I'm going to be hopping on Kia because I am very unhappy with them right now, because that was a terrible, terrible website. You have auto dimming mirror with home link, which is a similar option that we have with Subaru. Don't need that, but we do have a bed mat. Let's see, does it show a picture? No, it does not, but it gives you a, look at this, it gives you a description. Place in your open bed for durable protection against dings, scuffs, and scratches, and cargo shifting around in transit. Why, thank you for giving me a description. Thank you very much. I'm very happy. Let's see, we have the cargo net bed. Don't think I need that, but look at the description. It actually gives you a description. And you can actually add it to the vehicle. You have the cargo net envelope. I don't think I'll need that, but look at this. It gives you the description. And it's even, the description is so long that you have to scroll down in the little box. How nice. I am very grateful for just this little bit of condensation on the website creator's part on giving me information. And maybe not a picture, but hey, it's information that I get to read. So, get your act together, Kia, please. Please get your act together. Ooh, that's a terrible website. Okay, let's get over the Kia hate, I guess, but that was a terrible website. Honestly, it was. So, let's see, you have carpeted floors, which is an option. You have the first... Oh, you get a picture. Do you see this? There's a picture. I get to see what's at the first aid kit. Oh, that's so nice. Mud guards. Yes, I would like those. Tow hitch, absolutely, for a truck. And wheel locks, I can live without those. And very nice summarized total, $26,210. That's a similar pricing to the Maverick, honestly, which isn't too bad. That's pretty nice. So let's go back and change the model trim. That's a very nice start to the truck, though. Interior looks good. Thank you. That was getting weird about there. It's like I wasn't sure where the website was taking me. Then we have the SEL, which has let's see here. Yeah, it has blind spot collision avoidance. You also get a little bit of attention up here, which looks very nice. You have the rear cross traffic collision avoidance, proximity key with push button start, and power driver's seat with power lumbar. Well, thank you very much. I don't mind about it. Then you have the SEL, which is going to be similar. Also, ooh, look at that. Ooh, oh, looks good, looks good. And then of course you have limited. Let's try the SEL Premium though. Select him and check him out here. We'll switch over to go with it almost looks like a minty green. It looks really good. I'd say I'm not sure. Looks like we might have upgraded the interior a bit. I think it might be like a vinyl. I can't really tell from here. I think it's still cloth. Looks good though. I can't really tell from this angle. Doesn't really say, but definitely looks good. Alrighty guys, so now we have very simplified options on this one as well, but we have the bed mat, which I've already selected, and first aid kit, which I don't need. Well, so that was very quick. Very simplified. Thank you. But the truck looked good. I like how that looks. And limited. So let's check this out with the different colors here. Okay, so here we go. This is when we get the different interiors. There we go. So there's the regular black, and then this. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Okay, so we're definitely going with that. We'll go back to the exterior look. There's the rear end. Looks nice. We're gonna go with the Mojave. Oh, we can't get the other color with that. Let me see here. That's only available with that one. Okay, yeah, definitely want that orange accents all the way. Thank you very much. Looks beautiful. The blackout is really nice as well. And once again, simplified accessories come very standard. I like it. Thank you, Hyundai. You have brought joy and much gladness to my heart this day, and not bad price, honestly, as well. Obviously, you're getting the turbocharged GDI 4-cylinder with engine hat-track all-wheel drive, and also, honestly, a very nice exterior look as well. Looks good. Let's go look at what are the basic options on this here. Let's see, you get 22 miles to the gallon. It's 19 city and 27 highway. You're also getting the blind spot view monitor. You're getting a 10.25 inch touchscreen and surround view monitor. Ooh, okay, that's very nice. Now, what was the SLM trim? You got Hyundai digital key, pedal shifters. I'm guessing that that's kind of like crossing over along with this as well. But very nice, very nice. Once again, thank you for the much simplified and very easy to use website. I am very grateful. Thank you. So, but yeah, that's a cute little truck. I like it. Not totally sure. Definitely, I'd like to see it with like some. The wheels are a little. I don't know. They look a little bit too city-ish. For a pickup truck, I'm looking for a little bit more rugged, a little bit more country, and a little bit more of a little more aggressive tires. So to be able to see that, ooh, see aftermarket, yeah, some aftermarket parts for this. That should look pretty good. I mean, imagine like some roll bars back here, and then obviously some bull bars in the front. I think this truck has some potential. So, anyways, very nice little truck. I like the color options. Once again, they are beautiful. And that is going to be it for today. So that's the 2022 Santa Cruz. What trim would I go with? Honestly, probably the SEL Premium is what I would go with. I mean, I really do think I would go with that. The wheels don't look too bad. They honestly look like a little bit Ram Rebel-ish. Just the wheel design, so I kind of do like that. So, yeah, probably go with the SEL Premium myself, just with what the options are and how much price difference there isn't. I mean, if I had enough money, I'd probably just go and just get the limited. But SEL Premium is probably your best bet. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for a beautiful website, Hyundai. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ah, man, they made my day. That was nice. So anyways, guys, Hyundai, if you want to actually look at vehicles and be able to see what the options are, Hyundai is the website to go with over Kia. So check them out first. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and we're going to see you here next time on the Combustion Guys and Hunting Cars Online. Thanks for watching.